Check it out, it looks like a bulldozer just went through the forest. That's from a windstorm. Fire came through this forest and killed most of the trees a number of years ago. And then a windstorm came up and all the dead trees didn't have the strength anymore and they just flattened them. It only flattened this area on the ridge because the ridge is more exposed to the wind. See something down there that might make a good campsite. Hard to walk amongst all these down trees. They're covered with just enough snow that you can't really see where the holes are. I keep punching through and falling down. Oh, I am so hungry. It's almost sunset and I haven't had anything to eat since breakfast. It took me way too long to get out here. And the hiking's been harder than I expected. All right, this is what I was looking for. One of these large dead trees had fallen over in the windstorm.